And lastly here, Tesla Giga Texas workforce has sailed over 20,000 employees, putting them on track to be the #1 private company in Texas, at least in terms of employees. So Tesla's Giga Texas is on track to become a manufacturing juggernaut with an estimated 60K employees. Now, this is kind of an estimate, but a new report claims EV Maker now employs north of 20,000 people on the daily, at Giga Texas being the second largest private employer in the region, which is pretty impressive. Now, Tesla appears to have added roughly 8,000 employees in the first 8 to 9 months of 2023, and that's after officials previously stating that the workforce had grown to 12,277 people by the end of 2022. So we don't really know for sure they're there, but most of these employees are from Austin. The rest are from Houston and San Antonio, which I find hard to believe because if they're daily from Houston or San Antonio, that's like a couple-hour drive to work on the daily, which is fascinating if people really, really, really want to be doing that. We rarely get official scoops from the brand. They're pretty tight-lipped about their operations, but they're only behind HEB, which is a supermarket chain here in Texas, as the second largest private employer. HEB reportedly employs nearly 23,000 people earlier this year. And just to give you an idea on like how many people this really is working at this factory, we all know these gigafactories are gigantic. But just to give you an idea on like truly how much space these are taking up, Ford, in comparison, employs 7,250 workers at its Kansas City assembly plant and 8,920 workers at its Kentucky truck plant, as per official data. And General Motors Factory Zero in Michigan will have just over 2,100 people after becoming fully operational. So yeah, these gigafactories are in fact giga. They are massive, and they employ so many people. Now, Elon previously estimated that between a quarter to half of a million Cybertrucks will be built at Giga Texas at some point here. Don't really know when that's going to happen yet, as nobody knows when the Cybertruck announcement is going to really be yet, so up in the air and all that. But the factory appears to be unmatched to the Giga Shanghai in terms of capacity, with 20,000 employees and the ability to crank out over 1 million EVs annually, which is so many cars. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the 50th episode of Brands Bytes. I hope you guys really are enjoying the show, and I hope it's getting better over time. I'm going to have to go listen to like the first one to see if there is improvement over time. I would love for there to be, but I don't know. I mean, I listen back as I cut these together, but I don't really know. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.